Mastering conflict resolution, key soft skill for personal and professional growth. Welcome to our channel. Conflict resolution refers to the process of addressing and resolving disagreements or conflicts between individuals or groups in a peaceful and constructive manner. It involves finding mutually acceptable solutions to conflicts while maintaining positive relationships. Here are some easy examples to understand this term and important points to ponder when applying conflict resolution. Examples of conflict resolution. Workplace conflict. Two colleagues have different approaches to completing a project, leading to tension and misunderstandings. Using conflict resolution skills can help them find a compromise and work together effectively. Family disagreement. Siblings arguing over household chores or parental decisions can benefit from conflict resolution to reach agreements without escalating conflicts. Community dispute. Resolving conflicts between neighbors, such as noise complaints, requires effective communication and problem-solving skills. Important points to ponder for conflict resolution. Active listening. Pay attention to others' perspectives without interrupting. Show empathy and understanding to build trust and rapport. Emotional regulation. Stay calm and avoid reacting impulsively during conflicts. Manage emotions to facilitate productive discussions. Communication skills. Use clear and respectful communication. Avoid blame or criticism and focus on addressing issues collaboratively. Collaborative problem solving. Seek win-win solutions where both parties' needs and interests are considered. Brainstorm ideas and negotiate compromises. Conflict prevention. Address underlying issues early to prevent conflicts from escalating. Foster open communication and a supportive environment. Activity to practice conflict resolution. One effective activity to practice conflict resolution skills is a role-playing exercise. Here's how you can set it up. Form pairs or small groups and assign roles for different conflict scenarios. Example: workplace disagreement, family argument. Encourage participants to act out the scenarios, focusing on active listening, empathy, and collaborative problem solving. After each role play, facilitate a debriefing session where participants discuss what strategies worked well and areas for improvement. Rotate roles and scenarios to provide a variety of conflict resolution experiences. By understanding and applying these key points and engaging in activities like role-playing, individuals can develop and enhance their conflict resolution skills, leading to more positive interactions and successful resolutions in various life situations. To know more about it, register for workshop.